Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard science class video session, lesson 9, it's raining. Today we are going to learn about 3 states of water. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 9, it's raining, topic 3 states of water. Before we go into the topic, let us check our previous knowledge by I know activity. First question, write any 2 uses of water. The second one, give one word for the following. Water which is not salty. The second one, a small channel of water used for irrigation. Water which is fit for drinking. Let us check our answers. There are many uses of water. Here I mention only the 2 uses of water. The first one is cleaning and then irrigation. Then second question, water which is not salty is called fresh water. A small channel of water used for irrigation is called canal. Water which is fit for drinking is called a potable water. Now let us learn some new words from this lesson. The first word is steam, which means the hot vapor that water changes into when it boils. The second word, water droplets, which means small drops of water. The third word is invisible, which means something that cannot be seen. The fourth word is gaseous, which means in the form of gas. The fifth word is harvesting, which means to collect water in tanks. Now we are going to learn about the 3 states of matter. Children, do you know what is matter? You can see a number of things around you. Everything you can see and touch is made up of matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. What is mass? Mass is a measure of how much matter is in an object. The air we breathe, the food we take, and the water we drink all have matter in them. Do you know that even you are made up of matter? The space occupied by an object is called its volume. Matter can exist as solid, liquid, or gas. Now let us learn some properties of matter. Solid matter have mass, occupy space, and have a definite shape. And liquid matter have mass, occupy space, no definite shape, take the shape of the container. Gas has mass, occupy space, no definite shape, flow freely on all the sides. Pure water is tasteless, odorless, and colorless. Water can occur in 3 states, that is solid, liquid, and gaseous state. First, let us learn about the solid state of water. Ice is frozen water. When water freezes, its molecules move further apart, making ice less dense than water. This means that ice will be lighter than the same volume of water, and so ice will float in water. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and in Fahrenheit 32 degree in Fahrenheit. Liquid water is wet and fluid. This is the form of water with which we are most familiar. We use liquid water in many ways, including washing and drinking. Water as a gas. Vapor is always present in the air around us. We cannot see it. When you boil water, the water changes from a liquid to a gaseous or water vapor. As some of the water vapor cools, we see it as a small clouds called steam. This clouds of steam is a mini version of the clouds we see in the sky. At sea level, steam is found at 100 degrees Celsius and 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The water vapor attaches to small bits of dust in the air. It forms raindrops in warm temperature. In cold temperature, it freezes and forms snow or hail. When we think of water, we usually think of water as liquid. Water is found in three forms. These are ice, water, and water vapor. You must have seen that water as a liquid takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. It fills our lakes, rivers, and other water bodies. It always flows from higher to lower level. Now we think what happens when this water is kept in the freezer in the refrigerator. The water changes into ice. This is the solid form of water. It has fixed shape. Usually take the container in which it freezes. Water freezes in air as snow when the weather is very cold. Snow is thus a solid form of water. Now think what happens when we heat water. We can see gas rising from the surface of water. Water changes to steam or water vapor on heating. This is the gaseous form of water. Water vapor is an invisible gas always present in the air. These three forms of water are called the three states of water. I hope you got clear information about three states of water. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.